Welcome back. Okay, we're on the topic functions. Functions. On the last video, I talked about functions. I introduced you to a concept of functions, different ways functions could be written, and what functions actually mean, examples of some functions. But in this video, we'll talk about finding the value of a function. It's going to be quite a short video. So you understand this better with straightforward examples, not too much talk in it. So let's take an example. If fx equal to 2x plus 5, find f2. Now this is a typical example of finding the value of a function. Now you're given a function fx equal to 2x plus 5. Now this is a function of x, and the function is 2x plus 5. Now they ask you to find the value of f2. It's very simple. This f2 means now replace x with 2. What's the value of the function when x is 2? It's just simple substitution. So whenever I see x, I replace it with 2. So now it becomes f2 is equal to that 2x will become 2 open bracket 2, because now the x have been replaced with 2. So 2 open bracket 2 plus 5 equals, so what will 2 open bracket 2 give us? It gives us 4. So f2 is equal to 4 plus 5, which is 9. You found the value of that function of f2. That's it. Let's take another example, more difficult now. Okay, if you see, if fx is equal to 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1, 2x plus 1 over all over x minus 1, find ft minus 1, ft minus 1. So that's what we're looking for now, t minus 1. We're looking for the value of the function when x is equal to t minus 1. So the same thing, anywhere you see x, replace it with t minus 1. So the part where you have fx becomes ft minus 1 equal to the 2x now will become 2 open bracket t minus 1, then of course plus 1 all over the x dm now become t minus 1, then minus 1. So opening the bracket in the numerator, you get 2t minus 2 plus 1 all over the minus 1 in the denominator becomes minus 2. So that's 2t. In the numerator, you have minus 2 plus 1, which give you minus 1. So you have 2t minus 1 all over t minus 2. And that's the value of the function when x is t minus 1. Number 3. Let's take this third example. Okay, if fx is equal to 2x squared minus 5, find fx minus 1. Find fx minus 1. So the function is 2x squared minus 5. So we're looking for the value when x now becomes x minus 1. So the same procedure, just replace your x now with x minus 1. So the part where you have 2x squared becomes 2x minus 1 square. That's 2 open brackets x minus 1 close bracket square minus 5. Now this x minus 1 in bracket square, you can duplicate it. That is the meaning of the square. So it becomes 2 open brackets x minus 1 close bracket, open another bracket, x minus 1 close bracket. I just repeated the bracket twice, then of course minus 5. Now you expand these two brackets. Expansion, x times x. Okay, first of all, your 2 is outside, open bracket, x times x gives x squared. X times minus 1 will give you minus x. Minus 1 times x will give you x. And minus 1 times 1 will give you 1. Close bracket, minus 5 is still outside. Now in the center of the bracket, we have minus x. Simplify that to get minus 2x. What you now have is 2 open bracket x squared minus 2x plus 1 close bracket minus 5. Now you open the bracket again with this 2 that is outside the bracket. You expand, so that will give you 2x squared. That's 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Open the bracket with 2 again. That's 2 times 2x will give you minus 4x. 2 times 1 will give you 2. So what you now have is 2x squared minus 4x plus 2. Then outside minus 5 is still there. So this 2 minus 5 is obviously minus 3. So what you now have is 2x squared minus 4x minus 3. And that is how you find values of a function. So next time, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave comments on this video. Thank you.